What's the meaning of conceptually? Conceptually. Conceptually.
Conceptually. Conceptually. Conceptually refers to understanding ideas or concepts in terms of their underlying principles, rather than their concrete application in the real world. It involves thinking on an abstract and theoretical level and considering the broader implications of an idea. For example, when designing a new product, a conceptual approach would involve considering the fundamental principles that underlie its design, rather than focusing solely on its physical features. This approach allows designers to create innovative solutions that meet the needs of users in unexpected ways. Overall, a conceptual approach involves thinking critically about the fundamental ideas and principles that govern a particular domain, and using this understanding to inform creative and innovative problem-solving.